Today we've got our hands on the new Huawei Y9 2019, which is the next mid-range smartphone by Huawei. So let's unbox this phone and see what's inside. This new device from Huawei comes with Kirin 710, 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. It costs around 38,000 rupees, which is PKR. Let's open this and see what the Huawei Y9 2019 brings us inside the box. Let me get rid of this plastic real quick. Here we have the official warranty card which covers this device for a year. This box looks the same as last year's Y9 2018. Only difference is that the 2019 is written at the bottom. Let's peel the protection and go inside. Oh, nah, I'm gonna use my bread knife to cut into it. Here's the first look at the Huawei Y9 2019. Looks like it does not want to come out. There we go. The phone is wrapped inside a plastic protective case or a cover or so to avoid dust or scratches. We will look into the phone later. First, see what's inside the box. Looks like we have here is some image stickers which are of no use. The good thing about the Huawei phones is that they always include a protective case and a glass protector, which is carried on in various Huawei devices, and this one is no different. Oh, this is the plastic case and the screen protector I was talking about. I don't know why this is still included in the box. Very less people read a user guide. Here we have simple power brick for Y9. It supports up to 2 amperes, but sadly no quick charging with such big battery. Up next is a very good quality data cable plus a charging cable. At the end we have these standard headphones, nothing that impressive. And that's all inside the box. Moving on, let's have a quick look at all the stuff included with the Y9 2019. And there you have it. As you can see, it is all the basic accessories that is needed inside a box that usually comes with the phone. As you can see, the Y9 2019 brings a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which is bezel-less, and 4 AI powered cameras, a 4000 mAh bigger battery for all day usage, and a notch. Who can forget a notch nowadays? Well, hi there. That is a beautiful phone. Let's peel back the cover and get the first look at this beautiful phone. It comes in midnight black color. Back we have some Huawei branding, a dual camera and fingerprint sensor. Here we have the main camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor which is f2.4 and a 16 megapixel which is f2.0, which gives you that amazing pictures with depth of field. Power button and the volume rocker on the right side. Well, as you can see, the 3.5mm jack is still intact, and we have a micro USB 2.0 port along with a single speaker grill. We have a dual camera setup. One is the 13 megapixel and the other is the 2 megapixel depth sensor, along with an earpiece grill. We'll be doing a depth review soon, so stay tuned and do subscribe to The Nerd Map.